Alright, so your computer kind of sucks right now and it's running slow. Here's a couple possible fixes to this problem. First, restart the computer. Do this one especially if you haven't restarted the computer in a while. Sometimes it helps. Secondly, make sure to close programs and browser tabs that aren't in use currently. Occasionally, the computer can't keep up with everything that is open. On top of this, close out programs that are using a lot of the computer's resources. To do this, you'll open the Task Manager by holding Ctrl-Shift-Escape, and go through the processes that are taking up large amounts of your CPU and RAM. Some of them you won't be able to close, but you should close lots of things like Spotify and Chrome if they're using up a lot of your resources. Fourth, making sure that your hard drive isn't full is another good way to speed up your computer. To do this, go to your File Explorer and right-click on the hard drive to view its properties. If the hard drive is near full, delete some of the items on it to speed it up. Finally, checking for updates on your computer can also help speed it up. To do this, you'll go to the Start menu, type in Updates, and it should appear. Click on the Updates button and then check for updates. With that, thank you so much for watching, hope this helped, and I'm out.